Hi everyone, welcome back to Baby Steps to Your Best Life Yet, a 21-day cleaning challenge where we are going to be building some simple cleaning habits into a daily routine designed to help you get your home clean, clear and under control in 21 days. If you're new here, be sure to check out the link in the description of the video that I've posted explaining the 21-day challenge, along with the videos that I've uploaded each day showing how I tackle each of those daily cleaning tasks. Very sorry, but you cannot come to Kmart with Mummy. You cannot come to Kmart with Mummy, so you have to stay here by yourself. I'm going to put the puppy cam on so I can see you. And Mummy's going to go and pick up the thing from Kmart. And then I will be back in the afternoon and we can go and pick up Riley from school, okay? Okay. Alright, let's go to Kmart. We have a click and collect order to pick up. And, it's only two things. It's nothing super exciting, but, well, it kind of is actually.
Going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. Thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more. We're done now. No words, no more. We're done now. No words, no more. We're done now. No words, no more. No, no.
I can hear Mummy talking on the TV to keep you company. Look at you. Love you. Come on, buddy. Hey. Hi, buddy.
Down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no words, no more, no. We're done now. No words, no more. We're done now.
guys, we are back again for day 14 of the 21-day Clean With Me challenge, and today's cleaning challenge is to clean all of your mirrors and glass throughout your house. So all the mirrors in your bathrooms, if you have any mirrored wardrobe doors like I do, anything that's glass, so any picture frames or anything like that that needs cleaning with glass cleaner, just grab your favorite glass cleaner, and I'll share one of my favorites with you at the end of this video. Grab your favorite glass cleaning cloth, and I do believe that the glass cleaning cloth that you use has a huge impact on how easy it is to clean your glass and mirrors throughout your home. And just whip through and clean all your glass and mirrors as much as you can in 21 minutes. If you don't have many mirrors or glass things throughout your home, then go ahead and give some of your windows a quick wipe down. When it comes time to cleaning windows and my sliding glass doors especially, I'm always put off and deterred by how long I think it's going to take. But when I just get everything sorted and get stuck in and do it, it never ever takes as long as I thought it was going to take in the first place. So definitely don't be put off with how long you think something's going to take. Just grab all your stuff, get started, put some music on, set a timer, do whatever you have to do to get yourself motivated. But just get in, get started, and you'll be done before you know it. Now, as you can see, I don't know if you've noticed throughout this video so far, I'm trialing a few different methods of cleaning windows and glass and mirrors and just trying to figure out which one actually works the best. So you can see that I picked up my Kmart window vac. It was $30 from Kmart, obviously. That's what I picked up in that click and collect order. And I have to say, I'm actually pretty impressed with how it works for a number of reasons. Now, it does not clean your windows or glass perfectly. It definitely does leave like a little bit of streaking, which you have to sort of buff out with a cloth. But I love the fact that it is a vacuum cleaner, because I find the most difficult thing to clean the windows is when they've got like a layer of dust on them. Now, I've often vacuumed over my glass surfaces and mirrors prior to cleaning them with any liquid glass cleaner, because I find that if you don't vacuum them off really thoroughly first, when you spray that cleaner on, it just kind of turns it into a bit of like linty sludge, which is really, really hard to get off. And I also find that the type of cloth that you use really makes an impact. And I've noticed my older cleaning cloths that I've had for quite a few years, they start to kind of drop a lot of lint on the mirrors and glass surfaces. So I find that the newer microfiber cloths that I own, and in particular the cleaning cloths that I've got from Co, and including their specialty glass cleaning cloth, they work really, really well, and they don't drop anywhere near as much lint as my older cleaning cloths do. So definitely when it comes time to cleaning your mirrors especially, I would highly recommend, if you don't have a glass cleaning vacuum cleaner, just grab your normal vacuum cleaner with a soft fluffy attachment and just give them a quick vacuum over, or dry dust them down first before going in with glass cleaner. And now I'll share with you some of my favorite glass cleaning products and a glass cleaner that I've found recently that cleans glasses even better than my old favorite method window glass cleaner. Okay, now this is the glass cleaner that I've picked up from Bunnings recently. I found this and I shared it on Instagram, I don't know, maybe a month ago or so you can see I've used a fair bit. I do like to try things out before I kind of recommend them to you. Now, this is an Australian brand. It is Digger's brand, and it's methylated spirits based. So when I was a kid, I remember I had to clean all the mirrors and glass and everything with methylated spirits, and it absolutely stunk, and it was the worst job ever. So it's methylated spirits, naturally scented with vanilla, and it smells really, really nice. And you know that I really like vanilla scented things when I'm cleaning the house, because I use it in my fridge and in my bins. So this one is definitely a winner for me. It's really good. It doesn't stink you out. And then the cloths that I think are really good, this one is from Co Cleaning, and it came in the cleaning startup bundle, and I think that this one is really good for cleaning glass. But I in fact think that the Co regular cleaning cloths are also really good for cleaning glass. And if you don't have access to these, so I like these particular cloths from Daiso, and these are the ones that they're actually cleaning cloths. It comes in a pack of 3 for $2.80, and I usually use these for my makeup removing wipes, and then when they get all stained up, I then just start using them as cleaning cloths and floor mopping wipes. So they are really good, and these from Daiso as well are particularly good. I find that they last a really long time without starting to drop lint, whereas these ones from Daiso, These are great all-round cleaning cloths, and honestly I've had these for maybe 4 or 5 years now. Washed so many times, but I find that when I use these to clean glass, they do drop a lot of lint. Always prefer to go for these cleaning cloths, the 2Co cleaning cloths first of all, or failing those, if they're all in the wash, I just take a white microfiber cloth from Daiso. And again, it's just about kind of giving the mirrors a dust before you go in with any liquid glass cleaner. Just so you're not spraying liquid on dust and then just creating that linty sludge like I mentioned before. And I do also really like the Co cleaning product, like the actual Co product for cleaning glass. But I don't know what it is about this stuff. It just cleans so quickly. It cleans completely streak free, and it's really, really easy to use. So I definitely like this. And I know it's really hard to pick up cleaning mirrors on camera because you can't always see all of the little fingerprints and marks and things. But this one did have quite a number of little marks around it. And I know it looks clean already on camera, but this is definitely a really super quick and easy way to clean up your mirrors. So I love that. Perfect, all done. So guys, that is it for today's challenge. If you did enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know that you like this type of content and to keep on making it if you are enjoying this challenge. I'll leave a link in the description to all of the playlists with all of the videos that I've filmed, one for each day of the challenge. Have a fab day, and I'll see you tomorrow for another cleaning challenge. Bye everyone.